Welcome to Njinji Media TV. Please visit us on YouTube, Facebook and Instagram, and remember to subscribe to the channel by clicking on the bell icon for notification. I am John Paul Ani. Southeast governors issue threat to Nnamdi Kanu. IPOB gives condition to stop the attacks. The Southeast Governors Forum has warned the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, against any other attack on Southeast leaders when they travel abroad. In a statement signed by the chairman of the forum and governor of Ebonyi State, David Umahi, the governors threatened to ensure his repatriation to Nigeria. Recall that the former deputy president of the Senate, Ike Ekweremadu, was on Saturday assaulted in Nuremberg, Germany, where he was invited to the annual New Yam Festival and Convention of Ndiigbo in Germany. The senator said he was disappointed by the conduct of the IPOB members and had reported the attack to the Nigerian ambassador to Germany, Yusuf Tugar. Ekweremadu stated that he left the venue immediately they became unruly. IPOB, in a statement through its spokesperson, Emma Powerful, few minutes after the attack, claimed the responsibility of the attack. In a radio broadcast on Sunday, Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the secessionist group, commended them for assaulting the Nigerian senator. According to him, the courageous act by IPOB at Nuremberg, Germany, is a polite warning to those engaged in selling the people's collective interest to Fulani Caliphate. He threatened that Southeast governors and selected Igbo politicians will receive the same treatment meted on Ekweremadu anytime they are seen abroad. The attack was, however, condemned by many, including the Nigerian government. The Southeast governors said they are saddened with the ugly display of shame by IPOB in Germany by attacking one of the finest leaders of Ndiigbo. They predicted that Nnamdi Kanu would soon be exposed if he doesn't retrace his steps. Meanwhile, the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, has called on political office holders of Igbo extraction to repent in order to avert the kind of attacks which its members meted out to Senator Ike Ekweremadu. The IPOB head of Director of State, Mr. Chike Duziem, stated this in a press statement he made available to newsmen in Awka, Anambra State. He noted that political leaders from Southeast can still make amends by turning a new leaf, but threatened that the members of the organization will continue to attack them overseas if they refused. Thanks for watching. I am John Paul Ani, Njinji Media TV.